So, Pranav, you want to add something?
I just like to
Okay.
add one point about COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 world.
Okay.
So if you look at economics of strategy, there are only two things that drive your revenue, like the strategy. Right? One is price elasticity, and the second one is operational efficiency. Price elasticity, and so price elasticity is driven by behavior, stickiness. People doing the same thing again and again. So that's what drives price elasticity. And operational efficiency improves over time because of technology improvement. So you do things more efficiently over time. So these are the only two things that drive the economics of strategy. And what COVID-19 has done is broken the way people are doing things. And when they relearn to do the things what they do earlier again, they're doing it in a much more efficient way where a lot more technology is being used. For example, working. When we work, we go to office. It's unthinkable in 2019 that we can work from home. But all the technology to enable us to work from home was always there. Slack has been there since 2011. Video conferencing has been there for a long time. Telemedicine has been there for a long time. But people don't want to use it because they're not used to doing it that way. And that got broken because of COVID. And because it's broken now, we have accelerated 10 years where all the technologies that we have developed over the last 20 years are suddenly becoming products. So any company, individual who's not at this point thinking innovation, technology, adopting things that are there into their way of doing things will be left behind. So this is a strong secular change that has happened because of COVID-19.
Thank you very much for your idea.